matcha is so good. It's delicious. And it's super easy to make. All I do is I add matcha to water and I froth it up. And then to some regular oat milk with no sweetener, I add some vanilla sweetener in it. And then I froth it up too. And I add it all together with some ice, and it's so good. But I rearranged my room. I'll show you in a little bit what it's looking like because the lighting is so good now. Look at that. Doesn't it look so good? So today is Saturday. Bella's performing today, and it's the last performance of the school year. It's called Bandorama, and it's really fun. And I have negative 30 minutes to get ready, so let's do this. Makeup is done. I'm gonna go get dressed. Really quickly, here's my outfit. My sunglasses are from Amazon, dress is Target, and shoes are Sambas. And my purse is from Hammond Odyssey. Let's go. Bye, Looney. We love you. We'll be right back. We're heading over to the high school where Bella's gonna perform right now. I'm so happy I always have a lint roller in my car because this dress is like filled with lint. And I feel like most of the time you don't realize you're full of lint until you actually leave the house. We're matching today. Oh God, I'm so happy I'm not the only bad parent coming in late.
Honors Band, under the direction of Kelby Coke. They have been invited to perform at the Midwest Clinic in Chicago, one of only 4 junior high bands chosen to perform at this prestigious international convention.
She's all done and everyone did so good, especially my baby. We're heading to Target now. I've been owing the kids a Target trip for some time now and I kept pushing it off. Today is the day. And my honey is so lucky because he's gonna come with us. Usually he doesn't, right honey? He's like, I'll skip out on Target. But not today. I am so thirsty. The car, what, how much is it? It's 88 degrees outside and it feels like 1,000. So I'm so thirsty. I found a water bottle in the car. It is, pues sí, ni modos, I'm thirsty. It wasn't hot, but it was a little warm. But I'm not thirsty anymore. We're here. Oh, qué calor. We're going in. Okay, so I love these kind of brushes, but I saw that the Tweezerman, which is my favorite, has a mini one. So I'm gonna get it for my bag because you see the bristles, they're made out of plastic, so they're not gonna bend and break. That's the difference I think with the wet brushes. These bristles kind of break and then they start scratching the scalp of my head and it feels like I'm literally cutting my scalp open. Why 3 body washes?
This isn't 3, this is body wash. And conditioner, coconut. Shampoo, coconut.
Hay que agarrar uno de piña o otra cosa.
Do you like any other flavor? Just coconut. Eddie has a nasty cold that won't go away, so I'm getting him some medication for it. We got this one. I've never tried this one, so we'll see how that works. Motrin and Vaporu. I'm all out of my favorite liquid IV. I drink one of this probably a day, but now that summer's coming with full force, I'm probably gonna start drinking 2 of these a day. I got this one last time and it was so good, so I think I'm gonna get it again. We're at the toothbrush aisle now because Bella needs a good toothbrush. I have this one and I think I'm ready to get her this one. It's really nice and the charge lasts forever. Baby, which color would you like? The blue or the pink? I have the pink one.
This one?
That one, and it's $10 off. Perfect. We're now at the chip and drink aisle because tomorrow we're going to my dad's and I think I'm gonna bring you with me. And I want to take some chips for the kids and some juices, sodas. Okay, I'm gonna get the best.
Mi amor, eso no, los niños van a comer eso.
Honey, are you referring to my nieces?
Sí, las babies.
My nieces beat my kids at eating spicy chips. And these are mainly for me too. By the way, my baby nieces are gonna be 1, the youngest, and the middle is 2, and then my baby Sophia is 5. I think. Okay, for tomorrow, should I get a 12 or a 24?
Un de Sprite, un 12.
De 24, ¿no?
24 está bien.
Oye, toma, me tienes haciendo trabajo de hombres.
Tú solita te.
What did you guys get? So let's see, show me. Nice, what about you? You got your loom? Okay, we're done at Target. I am now gonna go off with just Bella and I to Marshall's. She needs a pretty little dress because she got accepted to join the Nationals. What is it called, baby? National Junior?
NJHSP.
Girl, that's a tongue twister for me. Your mama needed speech therapy when she was little. National Juniors Honor Society. There we go. And her ceremony of acceptance is on Monday. So we need to get her a fancy little dress. Okay, so we had went to Marshall's to see if we can find a pretty dress for Bella for her, what is it called, did I say? Her NJHS ceremony on Monday. And there is nothing at Marshall's. We're heading to Ross. Fingers crossed we find something. We found 2 dresses. This one and this one. They're definitely not our favorite, but that's all they pretty much have. Stop finding things. I mean, it's cute. Is it the most beautiful dress I've ever seen? No. Okay, and here's the next one. We'll see how they look on. She also wanted to get some jean shorts because we're going to Six Flags on Friday. Okay, so dress number 1. We like it. We don't love it. Oh, pretty. Girls are so fun. Update, she said she's not even gonna try on the green dress because she doesn't like it, so we're just gonna get the beige one and that's what she's gonna wear. So we're taking the beige one, and then she tried on these cute shorts and she really liked them. She's also gonna take these cute jeans, which are like a Miss Me dupes that she loves. These were too big on her. We're finally home. I told you I was gonna show you my room a little bit from how I rearranged it, which you're not even gonna notice a difference because I haven't showed you what it looked like before. But I originally had my vanity in front of these windows, but the lighting is just, it's not ideal. So I moved my like rolling desk over here, which I have some PR over here. I think this is perfect because this little side of the table is a leaf that I can prop up or down depending if I want to use it or not. Basically did a switcheroo. Vanity was over here and desk was over here. But if I had my vanity on that side, these 2 lights don't fit, and so I need good lighting for my videos. For a while I've been messing around with my lighting situation, and I finally decided to pull these out, put them up against my desk, one on each side, and then with a vanity light, which I got from Amazon, I have it linked, so is my desk. And I think that organizer too, that, or you know, anything that's from Amazon, you'll find it on my storefront. But now the lighting is perfect. Over here I have like my hair stuff, and then this container has all of my hair tools. Tripod, lighting. Did you get the Sumis, mama? Did you get the Sumis? Happy Sunday. I know I look rough. Can you tell I had pizza for dinner last night? Because my face feels kind of swollen, and so do my hands. That's like my first giveaway that I had a very salty meal, is that my hands and my fingers will feel super swollen. Yesterday I got distracted after I did the beauty room sort of tour, which I want to do a dedicated video for that. I think that would be really cool, so let me know if you want to see that. And I got distracted because I was unboxing my mic. I bought a mic for the camera hoping that it was gonna work out. It didn't. Turns out I needed like a different attachment, and I just got distracted with that, and then I just didn't even pick my camera anymore. So it's the next day. I'm just gonna put on a clear polish on my nails because I can't stand looking at them without anything on. When I don't have my nails done, I feel like I give baby hand vibes with a touch of masculinity, which no, we're not about masculinity, we're all about femininity here. So yesterday I told you that I'm gonna go see my mom. What? I'm gonna see her today too. Maybe that's why I said that. I'm gonna go see my dad. He lives about 2 hours and a half-ish away from me. So I'm coming from Houston, and my brother is coming from San Antonio, and he literally lives right in the middle by College Station. And so it's very like farmy over there. It's like nothing but land. And we're gonna meet up at my dad's, and we're gonna have like a little family day. It's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna see my nieces. My brother has 3 little girls and 1 on the way, and I'm so excited to see them because the last time I saw them was last month, which is not that long ago, but I do miss them, and they're so sweet. Where's my headband? Where's my get ready with me headband? Are you kidding me? Just don't look at my armpits. I haven't shaved them, I know, but I don't like shaving them every single day because what happens is that's how you start getting like a brown pigment on your armpit, is if you shave every single day. I feel like it's very tough on the skin. I did have laser like 2 years ago, but I didn't go to all of my appointments. I think I only went up to like 6, and I was supposed to do 10. It did help a lot, and I think it's still like I haven't shaved my armpits in like 4 days, and it doesn't look too bad. I'm not gonna wax. I refuse to wax. It's so painful. So we're gonna have a family day, the kids. We're not taking Luna, even though it's like a ranch. I don't want to take her because my dad has a lot of farm animals, and I don't know how she's gonna react with that kind of environment. She's a very social dog, but she's never been like with other animals. Does that make sense? Like farm animals? Makeup, I'm gonna do it very like light because I'm gonna be sweating. We're gonna be outside all day long, and I need to get mosquito repellent. Remind me to get mosquito repellent, please. But that's the plan for now. We are leaving around 9:30. It's 8:17 right now, and I think 9:30ish is like the perfect time because I still have to go pick up my mom, like I mentioned, and then hit the road. Now, my dad is like so funny. He is like a rancher, right? He literally kills an animal when we go, which makes me feel so bad, but that's just like so normal to him. So my dad has farm animals, right? And he does kill them to feed. Like he lives off of his land. Every time we go, he kills one of his animals, and it breaks my heart knowing that every time I go, an animal is sacrificed for us to eat. Oh, which is so normal. It's so normal, but not to me. In Mexico, people do this all the time, but this time our meal is gonna be a chivo. What is a chivo in English? Let me see. Hey Siri. I wanted to do what my mom does. My mom talks to Siri all the time. I guess I don't have her activated. A chivo is a goat. Why didn't I know that? Okay, that was so weird. Oh, it's too early for me. It's too early. It's not. I wake up earlier, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna finish off my makeup real quick. Here's the makeup. I'm all done. Now I need to get my purse. It's my Chismosa backpack. I got her last year and I love her, or the year before, I don't remember, but it's like the perfect little backpack for when I'm gonna be out all day with like the kids. Not that I need things for the kids, but because we're gonna be at the ranch, like what if Eddie falls or Bella hurts herself? I don't know. So I'm gonna pack her up real quick. Okay, let me show you what I'm gonna put in my little backpack. First things going in here is Eddie's medicine because he has a very bad cough. Taking some of this just in case. Band-aids, some antiseptic spray in case any of them fall. Taking my new little brush, I love it. Oh, I almost forgot his Vaporu. Can't be without that. Okay, so my personal items are these. A lens cleaner, I got this from Walmart. It's the best thing ever because with this I clean like my phone lens or the camera lens. Throwing it in here. Some mints, my powder, my eye drops, balm, medication, Tylenol, my blood pressure medication, all that's in here. My eyebrow brush, lip liner, taking the lip balm that I'm using right now, which is this one from YSL. What color is this? 44. It's so pretty. My wallet and my charger, and that's pretty much it. You know what? I'm gonna throw in here a hair tie because Bella always needs hair ties, and everything fits perfectly. Really quickly, here's the outfit for today. I'm just wearing these pants from Madewell. I love the fabric. It's super soft and like airy, so perfect if I'm gonna be out there. Not gonna be too hot, but I got them at Goodwill. Top is Abercrombie, and then shoes are Target, and then here's my cute little backpack. Let's go. Are you ready? Oh my god, honey, show us your breakfast, please. Show us your breakfast.
Sopa con taquis, powder, y un café.
Que rico, provechito. Let me show you this real quick. My kids get very bad car sickness, so I have here, I actually ended up putting Eddie's medicine here, by the way. I have here some paper towels, and I like to use Ziploc bags for when one of them is like, I'm gonna throw up. I'll give them one of these, and I like that you can zip them up, and that way their vomit doesn't spill anywhere. We made a quick stop at Buccees, and we got some goodies for the road. I got some sunflower seeds to just keep me awake. Bella wanted some fruit and some nerd clusters too. To eat, I got a chicken and cheese crispito. It sounded good. And a beef and bean burrito. Dang it, I thought it was cheese and bean. I hope I like that one. And then I also got some mantecadas. I got some goldfish for the kids and a can of mosquito repellent.
Suena como un desayuno bien rico.
It's like a healthy meal. Igual que el tuyo.
Mi sopa.
Yep. We're here. It's like literally being in Mexico when I come and visit him. I'm gonna show you his garden real quick because it's so cool. This is his little entrance. This actually does bloom, but it's not its season right now. And then you go in here and voila! He literally lives off of this, which is honestly really impressive. He has figs right there, everything, chiles, tomatoes, cute little flowers. Look at all this. Yo, this is kind of funny. What? That's so funny. And then over here, he actually has like eggplants, zucchinis, stuff like that. Isn't it adorable? Look at the little windmill. They're so little. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. Look at him.
Eso me acuerdo de la película de la witch.
Okay, let's not talk about that movie. That movie was crazy. Look at that baby one over there. They're so adorable.
What? There's more?
See, mommy, there's more.
Okay, if I do this.
Yeah. We're gonna grow these.
Vamos a
Keep it straight, yeah. Angle it. Corn is
Vamos a
ready.
probar este elotito, a ver qué sabe. Está muy caliente.
Don't burn yourself.
Oh,
It's
está muy
good.
rico.
It's crunchy. This is Sadie. Sadie, say hi, mi amor. She's sweating because it's hot. Hi, say hi. You're so beautiful. Yay. Say cheese. You look so beautiful. Isn't she so cute? That's my goddaughter. We're heading out now. It's almost gonna be 7 and we have about a 2.5 hour drive. So let's go. We're finally home. Let me show you what I got for dinner for the whole family. We ended up getting just a bunch of McDonald's and then I did get some eggs for my dad's ranch. Super healthy, organic. Look at how beautiful they are. I love all the different colors of eggs. These are literally from his chickens. Like I still have to wash these before I use them, but they're gorgeous and I can't wait to cook with them. So we got some of that. And then like I said, we have just McDonald's for dinner. But that is it. Say hi to one of our babies. I'm wrapping up the vlog here. Thank you so much for coming along this just like random little family weekend. I had so much fun. We were sweating so much at the ranch. So I'm dying to get in the shower right now. My eyes are so tired, but I wouldn't change it for the world because I had so much fun. So I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.